One of my helpful subscribers was asking how to get ideas, logo ideas, to develop logos. One good thing is to use some books. There are so many books which have a lot of logos in that you can look at and either do the same thing or modify it a bit just for it to give you an idea. One of the books that I really love is this book here, Logo Modernism. It's a very good book. It has so many logos. If you look here, this is just something that I got from the internet. You can go look through and then you see a lot of logos. You can get it either on Amazon, or if you are in a tight budget, you can also maybe search on the internet. Maybe you will find a PDF version. I don't know. Another way is another book that I also I like is this book, American Trademark Designs. I mean, it has if we let's go inside, you can look inside a bit from Amazon, and then you see it has these it has, I think it has some basic nice logos in that will give you an idea of what to do. It's not exactly the same. You in case you want to draw the same thing, yes, but you can just get some inspiration from this book. This is just a few pages on Amazon. Another thing is that when you are walking around, you could be looking at logos on shops everywhere. Ever since I started doing graphic design, every time I go out, I see designs, and the moment you have your mind on it, you fix your mind on it, you will be seeing so many designs. You will be surprised, and then when you come, you can just you yourself modify it a bit, play around a bit to get ideas. So this is a short one on how to get logo ideas. One way is to use books. Another way is to also just look on the internet to find some things and just looking around you. Thank you for watching, and thank you to my subscriber. You've always been very helpful. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a like, and please come again. And you have any questions or any comments that will help my channel, please don't hesitate to write it. Thank you. Bye.